In my last video we explored how urban garden can transform lives and saves money, whether you're in Nigeria, the US or anywhere else. But here's the truth. Before you plant a single seed or seedling, you must assess your space. Skip this step and you'll waste time, money and effort. Today I'll walk you through 5 simple things to check in your home: sunlight, space, water, soil and goals, so you know exactly where to start. Still using Nigeria and United States as examples? By the end you'll be able to sketch out your own growing plan with confidence. The number one factor is sunlight. Most vegetables need 6-8 hours of direct sun every day. In Nigeria, sunlight is usually abundant, but the challenge is protecting tender crops from harsh afternoon heat. That's why spinach, lettuce, or even peppers benefit from partial shade. In the US, sunlight shifts with the seasons. A balcony that gets morning sun in spring may get very little in winter. Tracking matters. Action step: take one full day and note where the sun falls on your space at 9 a.m., 12 p.m., and 3 p.m. That little notebook exercise could save your entire season. Second, measure your space. Don't just eyeball it, write down the size. Is it a balcony, a 4x8 raised bed, or just a few buckets in the corner? In Nigeria, many families use buckets, sacks, or wooden raised beds. A single 50 kilograms rice sack can produce a full harvest of spinach. In the US, a 4x8 raised bed can feed a small family if planned properly. Tip: even if you only have 1 square meter, you can grow salad greens. But if you've got more room, you can mix in tomatoes, peppers, or climbing beans. Your space determines your strategy. Third, water. Plants need consistency more than quantity. Medium shot of someone using a hose with spray attachment on larger beds. Close-up of drip tubing and emitters slowly watering plants automatically. In Nigeria, containers dry out fast under strong sun. If you water in the morning, you may need to water again in the evening. Mulching with dry leaves or grass keeps soil moist longer. In the US, many urban gardeners set up drip irrigation or self-watering containers. A simple plastic bottle with holes can work as a DIY irrigation system. Comment below. Do you water with a can, hose, or something creative? Your tip might help someone else watching. Fourth, your growing medium, soil and containers. If you have ground space, build raised beds. Fill them with living soil, compost, dried leaves, even kitchen scraps like coffee grounds. If you don't, buckets, rice sacks, and even paint containers can be repurposed into planters. Just make sure they have drainage holes. In Nigeria, farmers often use rice sacks lined with polythene. In the US, gardeners love smart pots or 5-gallon buckets. Different tools, same principle. Healthy soil equals healthy crops. Finally, be clear on your goal. Do you want fast food, like lettuce and spinach in 30 days? Or big crops like tomatoes and peppers that take longer but give larger harvests? In Nigeria, many grow fast greens for soups and stews, harvested weekly. In the US, some families prioritize bulk harvests for canning or freezing. Neither is wrong, but your goal decides your starting point. If you're a beginner, start with fast greens to build confidence, then expand. So before you plant, take one day to assess your sunlight, measure your space, check your water source, prepare your soil, and define your goal. Once you do this, you'll know exactly where to start, no matter if you're in Nigeria, the US, or anywhere else. In my next video, I'll share a simple raised bed layout that works in almost any backyard. Don't forget to subscribe and grab your free growth tracker in the description below to start planning today.